So what's up YouTube? Chris back at it again with another vlog. What's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. Hope everybody's having a good day. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Whatever you guys are doing. Hope everybody's having a good time. So update guys, update. What I want to update you guys on is a lot of things are happening in my life right now. So currently I'm heading to the gym. You know, it's a life goal for me to stay fit and to stay healthy. So right now I'm heading to the gym. It's kind of a different part of my life that I don't really show you guys, but I won't show you guys that today anyway. You gotta get your swollen, you know. I've been slacking, but you know, I'm a dad. I live that dad bod life. So it's actually warm out. It's really hot outside. And today I was thinking, since it's really nice out, I finally get to wash my car. And it's been forever. It's like it's been like at least, I'd say, a month and a half, at least, maybe longer, since I washed my car. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but you know, for the sake of, you know, having a nice day and using that nice day, taking advantage of that nice day, I'm okay with it. Another update that I want to talk to you guys about is this camera right here. I'm actually vlogging on a EOS M50, a Canon M50. Let me know what you guys think about the quality of the... It's actually pretty hot. I'm gonna have to turn on the AC. It's pretty warm in here. But what's really good about this camera is the flip out screen. And I missed that about the Sony. And I know I said I was gonna get the A6400, but other things in my life are happening, so I'll let you guys in on that in a bit. So just got done with the gym. Gonna go ahead to wash the car and talk to you guys a little bit about what's going on. Normally I don't recommend using the brush, but if it's really dirty and you don't have anything else, use it. Make sure you rinse it off. I've mentioned this before. Alright, so it's actually the next day. What's up guys? So I'm actually here with the baby. Say hi baby. So we actually cleaned up the garage the other day, and since I have the garage clean, I moved in the car a little bit, and I'm actually going to be vacuuming it out. But first thing I want to talk to you guys about is, I actually wanted to talk to you guys about what was going on with this car. So I'm not going to be able to put coilovers on it. I was going to put coilovers on it. So other things are going to come first for this car, mostly maintenance, mostly doing that stuff that's, you know, kind of important. After that comes the fun parts, but for right now, like I said, there's no way I can lower it right now. So it's a little difficult for me to do that right now. So I'm just gonna wait on that. I'm just gonna wait to lower it. But I really want to lower it because you gonna help me today? You gonna help me today? I got my little helper today. Good part about this is we're actually going to be going to Arizona to go see the Boston Red Sox play. Now if you guys don't know, I'm a big, well, I wouldn't say big, but I've turned into a big baseball fan. This past couple years, they've really turned me into baseball, and I've really enjoyed it. So we're actually going as a family to Phoenix, Arizona to go watch the Boston Red Sox play the Arizona Diamondbacks. So that's going to be coming up. I'm going to be vlogging that. That's going to be pretty cool. I feel like that's, you know, something I would want to share with you guys, you know, my trip out to Arizona. It's a smaller city, so we don't get too much action out here, I guess you could say. So, you know, that's what I would count it as. Since I washed my car yesterday, today it's supposed to rain. I hope it doesn't. But since we washed it, I am going to be vacuuming it out. And I'm hoping that I can do that today with this little guy over here. I hope you guys bear with me. You know, I've been trying to upload and I haven't been uploading because I got a new camera. I sold my other one. I haven't had another one. I've been so busy with my internship, and it's been crazy. I hope you guys understand, and I hope you guys stick with me throughout this, you know, little bumps in the road. But so for me, a big thing to have the car like extremely clean. Everywhere, dirt, dust. So big part for me to get this car cleaned out, really clean and really nice looking, so that I can go ahead and, you know, make it look really nice. So I don't know if you guys have the same issue that I do, but you know, for me, having a car and being a dad is a little rough. It's a little rough. But like, I just have stuff on stuff. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, look at all this trash right here. Like, look at this. I feel like that's the issue, but I don't know. At least I got the car cleaned yesterday, and I'm gonna continue vacuuming it right now. Just show you guys the end result, because I don't really want to show you the boring stuff. As you could tell, the garage is a lot more cleaner. There's significant space in here, a lot more space. I can actually do stuff in here. So I'm going to use it as much as possible, if I can, when I can, and yeah, it's just a little bit better. Like, there's a little room you could work on it. Like, I could bring in the car, you know, work on the engine a little bit, you know, do whatever, change the oil. I could definitely do that. So, but it's also needs some more work. It needs some more cleaning, which I'm willing to do, coming soon, or you know, pretty soon, like when I can, because I really want to be able to work in here. Really wanted to be able to, you know, use this garage as much as possible, because it's more convenient for me. I don't have to go all the way to my mom's house and come back. It's a little far for me. So hopefully this year we'll be able to use this garage for the better. So sorry guys, like I said, I keep looking at the monitor, not at you guys, my bad. So yeah, I'm just still getting used to that. It's just because I see my face and then I'm automatically going over there. So yeah, I just finished up the car. Let me show you guys. I still need to put this back in, but yeah, it looks a lot like some areas I couldn't get, like in there. Some other areas, because like the vacuum didn't have enough tools, like attachments, I guess you could say. Yeah, it's a lot better. Like, it's all stained and stuff. Like, the carpet's stained. I definitely need to get them shampooed, but it looks a lot better. Like, completely better. She's pretty clean right now. I'm liking the way she's coming out. I still want to, so like before, like I said, I want to use this garage. Like I said before, I really want to polish this car, so I'm definitely going to be using this garage for that, potentially. Polishing is coming up next, and then I'm probably going to do some maintenance on it. Kind of stuff for YouTube, you have to have money, and I don't have money right now, and I really want to drop some money into this car, but like, it has potential. It has so much potential, and I see it, and it's just out of my reach for right now, and I'm gonna get there. I promise you guys, I'm gonna get there, and it's gonna look legit. So I'm planning on dropping it, planning on doing a polish, making sure all the paint is really good, and then I'm also planning on doing some wrapping some parts. I'm also doing muffler delete. So as time progresses, as time goes on, doing a lot of things to this car, so it's gonna work out. It's gonna do its thing. So hopefully you guys understand where I'm coming from with everything that's going on with this car, and I understand if you know, it's taking a long time for me to do anything to this car, but I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys, definitely a long process, not only for me but not only for you guys. So I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of stuff to this car. So I've been saying that like 5 times. I don't know how many times I said that, but let's not do that. Let's not say that again. Well, I think I'm going to clean the windows now. So it's probably going to be my little outro. And then I got to get ready for work. I go into work at 2. It's currently 1 o'clock. So, yeah. Peace out, guys.